So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly enter in your car, your manual transmission car, and take it off. Set off everything so yeah, you take off safely and sound. Okay, so I'll move into the car and show you how this is done. Just like so. The first thing you do is to lock your door, just like so. And then the next, you put your seat belt. From your seat belt, you make sure your handbrake is up, and then you are on a free transmission because this is a manual transmission car. So now what you do is you start your car just like so. Now comes the most important part. Okay, so before you want to take off, I see some folks, they always face difficulties in taking off the car because they always forget to put down the handbrake. Okay, so you want to make sure that you enter your gear properly, go into gear 1 just like this, and then now you put your handbrake down. Now you're ready to take off your car just like this, and you go.